Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. And we're here at the airfield today to test a toy grade drone. It comes in under $50 and it's called the Spider, the self-proclaimed Spider. I don't understand why, why they named it the Spider. Why, oh why? A little nursery rhyme.
Don't know why she swallowed a fly, Nathan, not a spider.
But why, oh why? Whatever.
Try again. Keep working on it. No, that's staying. Keep working on your dad rhymes, though. I'm very proud of you for trying.
We're not keeping that.
See who edits it.
Okay. Ready to start from the top?
No, gotta keep going.
Darn, okay. Because it has 4 arms, not 8. You would think Spider at least like 6, right? It's got 4 arms just like any other drone. It unfolds and it gets pretty big, which is cool. But there are a few uncool things about this. More uncool than me and my bad rhymes. Let's take a closer look and see why, oh why, and then we'll go fly this thing.
There you go.
And just have some fun.
Hopefully we don't die.
This is actually called the Yile S16, and if you're really interested, we'll have it linked in the description box below, but I'm proud to say that we'll probably save you guys a little money with this product today, but we're still going to have some fun with this. So I do like the way it folds and unfolds. It locks in place really well, and you know, the little design and it having the Spider-Man logo on there looks pretty awesome. Of course it looks awesome. Someone paid a lot of money to have that Spider-Man logo design. Right. It comes with a lot of accessories, so let's take a very quick look at them because I don't want to get hung up on them. We have extra little prop caps there, 4 spare props, prop guards, optional. We are optionally not going to use them. And then it does come with little screws in here for the prop guards, a little screwdriver for that stuff. And then we had I didn't really like this charger. It seemed pretty cheap. Abby had a couple complaints trying to figure out like there's no way to see it charging. And then when it was finished charging, a tiny little red light inside turned on. So this was just kind of odd. But the flight battery is a 900 milliamp 1-cell battery. Kind of a small battery for the size of the drone. We do have a camera, a little Wi-Fi FPV camera. I'll do my best to plug this in and use this today. And then our dedicated transmitter. And honestly, they did a great job with the phone mounting system. It is my favorite chip clip method because it works. I mean, you can fit just about any size phone in here. It's very sturdy. You can really trust these things to hold your phone. I really like them a lot. So I don't know why all systems don't use this unless it's like a really expensive system like, you know, DJI. But we still see toy grade things now that don't have this. Anyway, this doesn't matter because transmitter won't turn on. I tried old batteries that I knew worked in something else, but I was afraid, okay, they might be low, so I put new batteries in and a couple other sets of batteries, 4 AA's in there, and just no luck. I could not get that to turn on. I pushed really hard, I held it. I've done 1,000 drones and I just couldn't get this transmitter to turn on. So that quality control is not there. So already I think that's a big reason not to buy this drone. But we are going to make an effort. I don't want to just show you something and tell you not to buy it. We're going to at least try to fly it. So this does have phone controls. So we're going to bind this up and fly it with Abby's phone. Just have a little fun with this. We're not the type of people that just want to break something, and you know, I still want to try to give you guys a video. So let's put it in the air, see how it flies with Abby's phone. See what you got there, Abby.
Got it on the phone. You have to hit the 2 triangles that face each other to get the buttons to come up to like auto takeoff, and it's in the bottom left corner. Maybe I'm lying to you because it's not working. That's the auto takeoff button.
Huh.
Take off. I'm trying to tell it what to do. The whole app is in Chinese, by the way.
Oh.
It's not acting like those are buttons.
Yeah. What it's acting like is it wants to bind to something, the drone itself. it acts like it really needs to bind to a transmitter before it's going to let Abby do anything. So we're really having issues with this, but we wanted to give it our all.
I'm gonna go just double check the instruction manual with how to take off, because usually just you got to get this takeoff button, you got
and then it goes
stop and there's land, and none of that's working.
Yeah.
I checked the instruction manual and what I was doing was correct. It just doesn't do it. The instruction manual is terrible, by the way. Most of it in Chinese and extremely broken English. Couldn't follow it at all. That's how the app was as well, so.
We tried.
Can't fly it, so we can't recommend it.
I like your shirt though, Abby.
Thanks. It just came today and I put it on as we're going out the door. $10.
Franken baby.
Franken baby. That's pretty fun. Isn't there like a band-aid on it? Yeah. Right there.
I don't think that's a band-aid. I think that's his bolt in his neck.
Oh, it's a bolt. Oh.
You know, Frankenstein.
There's no band-aids on it?
No.
Oh.
Franken.
Cute though, right?
Yeah.
I was really happy it came today because it's almost Halloween, so.
They cannot all be winners, and when they're not, we tell you guys.
And check the cards out throughout this video, these little pop-ups. We'll have good recommendations up there for you, and on the end screen of this video we'll have a good video for you guys to watch too. But if you appreciate our honesty, go and support us on Patreon, because it's our patrons that keep our channel running and give us the ability to give you all our honest opinions. So thank you so much to our patrons, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!